Hey everyone, it's me, Kellen, and I like to groove. That's William, right there. And we will be playing our Wildlife Army. As you can see, he is ready to be shot down because he is by somebody. Misconstruction. Likes to groove. Alright, I'm handing the camera to William. So, yeah. And we're gonna get started. Let's do this. Alright. We will not. Oh, gosh. Where'd all these people come from? Soldier, I need help. Soldier!
Yes, sir.
What were you doing?
I had to use the bathroom.
Okay, well, I'm doing this real quick. Rocket launch! I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every... Oh! What? Oh, what? Hey, well, that's one way to kill him. Dude, he's already dead. My God. Move on to the next one. No, please, no. I believe I can die. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it. I'm Superman. Oh my gosh, Kylo Ren's here. We will never stand with you. I don't know, should we kill Kylo Ren? Answer me when I'm speaking to you, boy.
Sure.
Okay. Can I just get in there real quick? Alright, cool. Yes! And now we dance on him. Yeah, we dance. Yo! You are excessive. You lucky.
Sorry.
Guys, I think this Lamborghini's happy.
Whoa.
Wait, let's... Yeah. Yes! Let's go! Ow. What did you do?
I'm dead, I'm dying,
I'm not. Wait. Look, it's a medic. The medic. Yay, thank you, medic. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Get over here, soldier. I am indestructible. Where'd he go? Oh, but you're not, son. Oh. Wait. You are indestructible? Yeah. All right, let's not shoot each other. This is stupid. All right, let's do this. All right, let's just throw cars. Wait, we can pick up cars?
Cool.
Wow.
Why do they keep interrupting us?
That's fine. All right, keep on throwing cars at him. The Lamborghini sucks. Go get that. I'm going to get that. That was actually a piece of a Lamborghini. Right there. Get cars and wreck it.
Is this a junkyard?
It's junkyard, but still. Cars. Oh my gosh, there's just a giant explosion.
Ferrari. Whoa.
Would you stop and pay attention to me? Over here trying to destroy a car. Get a car and throw it at it.
Look, guys, look. You have to see this Ferrari. Look.
What? I'm coming.
See Ferrari. Did you see that, guys? That was crazy. That's my Ferrari. Give it back.
happened?
When it hit the Lamborghini and bounced all the way over there. And look what it did.
It like trashed it. Oh my god.
Stop.
What?
Stop breaking it.
Okay. Let's fix it. This is your best chance to learn how to fix a Lamborghini. If you are.
Guys, you gotta see this. Look. This is a car. Come on. Come on, come here. You gotta see this rock.
Wait, keep him there. Keep him on the ground.
Run away.
Keep him on the ground. Ready? Watch.
I don't know what's gonna happen. Help me.
This is what you get.
I did nothing to you.
You did not stay on task. I'm not gonna kill you.
Show them something.
Then show them without whispering like a big idiot. Fuck.
No, I'm sorry.
Show them Diana.
Come on, this way.
Dude, look.
Gotta show
Your
you
Lamborghini is still destroyed.
You broke it.
wait. Oh my god. Wait. Where is it? Where is it?
What?
Where is it? I'm
What?
looking for you. Here it is.
Oh God.
You broke my Lamborghini. Oh, dare you! You know what? This car's mine. This car's mine. It's mine. Oh wow, I suck. You know what? Then if I can't take the car, I'll take you. Oh wow, you're kind of hard to take.
Run!
Give me this.
Run!
You know what? I'm not afraid because I'm a real.
Ooh, gun.
No, give me Oh my god, I took your gun. Here.
I gotta get out of here. What the I found some bodies in the head. Oh, that's me! I'm dead. Nope. Where'd they go? They're gone. Uh-oh, just a gun. Where'd he go? He's gone. Found him. Hi. Who are you? Don't make me shoot you. Who are you? Long live that guy. He got ran over. Where'd he go? He was just behind it. What was that? Found him. Boom. Huh? Where'd he go? Huh? Is he over there? Oh. He hit me. Oh. Random. Hello, I'm back. Yo, I gotta show you guys something. Ow. I found these from the moon.
Good work, Good work, soldier.
Thank you.
Now you get a $5,000 raise.
Yeah. Wait, we're getting paid.
Yes, you didn't know that?
I never got-
You're a rookie.
I never got
Take
it.
some moon crap.
Oh, wait, you know what?
Where'd he go?
Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? And the moon rocks are even gone. Where'd he go? Oh, found him. I quit.
Nope, you must give us the moon. I shot you.
I found it. Ugh.
Where's your gun? Oh, I've got it.
Uh-oh. My gun.
I killed you. I killed you when a new one was made. And you... Give me...
Aww. They died.
Make a new one. Make a new one. Dude, give me it.
Where did he go?
What you... Hold up. He's coming.
Wait. Is that you? What the heck is this?
Ah!
Hi.
Wait, ready?
Hello. Hello. Oh. I saw something. Huh? What is it? Moon rock. I don't know what to do. Moon rock. Uh-oh. Moon rock. Where'd you go? I found a moon rock. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Moon rock. Ah! Hello. Are you in there? Where'd you go? Uh-oh. Where'd you go? Where'd he go? Where is he? Do you see him? Uh-oh. There's a blue rock. Where'd he go? That's a poop. Found him. Better. Ah!
Moon... Oh! Oh, wait, yeah, we're back where we began.
I found a moon rock.
Wait, lay him down.
I found a moon rock.